For many Kashmiris, it seems revocation of Article 370 is almost a closed chapter. Why is it so? The security situation in Jammu and Kashmir has improved following the abrogation of Article 370 of the Constitution. The number of terrorism-related incidents and terrorists has significantly reduced since then, according to reports. The terror incidents in Jammu and Kashmir were 417 in 2018, which came down to 229 in 2021, while the number of terrorists operating in Kashmir has been reduced to below 100. The government's move on August 5, 2019 helped Jammu and Kashmir move towards peace after 30 long years of turmoil in the Himalayan region. Jammu and Kashmir has witnessed development in the past 3 years. On the other hand, Pakistan-occupied Kashmir has witnessed many protests against the rule of Islamabad. Now, with the Supreme Court fixing July 11th to hear pleas challenging the abrogation of Article 370, IAS officer Shah Faisal, one of the petitioners, has said that the matter now is a thing of the past. While talking to ANI over the phone, the bureaucrat said that he has withdrawn his petition challenging the presidential order to scrap Article 370 a long time back. I have withdrawn the petition in the Supreme Court challenging the presidential order to scrap Article 370 long ago, he said. Taking to Twitter, the IAS officer said that there is no going back but only marching forward. Faisal was the lead petitioner challenging the abrogation of Article 370 nearly 4 years after it was implemented on August 5, 2019. 370 for many Kashmiris like me is a thing of the past. Jhelum and Ganga have merged in the great Indian Ocean for good. There is no going back, there is only marching forward, Shah said in his tweet. Faisal, a 2010 batch IAS officer who topped the civil service examination and posted in Jammu and Kashmir, had resigned in January 2019 and floated his own party, Jammu Kashmir People's Movement, with human rights activist Sheila Rashid. Faisal's unprecedented resignation from his own political outfit came in August 2020. The sender rejected his resignation from the government service and he was reinstated in service. The Supreme Court's 5-judge Constitution bench will hear on July 11th a batch of petitions challenging the abrogation of Article 370 and bifurcation of the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir into 2 union territories. A bench of Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, and Justices Sanjay Kishan Kaul, Sanjeev Khanna, B.R. Gawai, and Surya Kant is set to hear the case on July 11th. The court will also take up the issue of whether the petition by bureaucrat Shah Faisal can be withdrawn. The petitions, which are pending since 2019, have not been taken up for hearing since March 2020. Various petitions are pending before the top court challenging the validity of the law scrapping Article 370 of the Constitution and bifurcating the state into 2 union territories. On August 5, 2019, the central government announced its decision to revoke the special status of Jammu and Kashmir granted under Article 370 and split the region into 2 union territories. A 5-judge Constitution bench in March 2020 had declined to refer to a larger 7-judge bench a batch of petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the sender's decision to abrogate provisions of Article 370, saying there were no reasons to refer the matter to a larger bench. A number of petitions have been filed in the top court, including those of private individuals, lawyers, activists, and politicians and political parties challenging the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019, which splits Jammu and Kashmir into 2 union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh.